everyone, welcome to the China Just Sewing Space. And for today's video, I'm talking about the challenge that I created that I'd like you guys to join in. I think it's gonna be a fun challenge and a nice way to get our sojo on in the new year. Okay? Now, basically, the challenge is called Remake Your Ready to Wear 2019. And the premise of this challenge is you have those ready to wear items that you can't let go of. They fit perfect. You love so much. You love them so much. You've worn them down to the threads. They're faded. I think as sewists, we should think about remaking these clothes so that it will help us recreate styles that we know and we love. I mean, you're sure of this style, you're sure of the pattern, you're sure of the fit. So just recreate it and you know have two or more of the same thing that you love. Okay. I've put up the rules and the poster on Instagram, and what it is the rules are just simple so that anybody can join. You have to repost the post, that particular post on your feed, so that people know you've joined. Maybe your followers can decide to join you as well. And any progress you make for your anytime you post a make, you're supposed to tag it hashtag RYRTW 2019. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys so that I know and I can repost your mix on my feed as well. Then what else? Yeah, it starts today. Is Saturday here right now. I'm recording this on Saturday, but I'm hoping I'll get it up on Sunday. So the challenge kicks off on the 7th of January and it's a 6-month challenge. So I figured an outfit a month because I'm a slow sewist, so this timeline is quite okay for me. And it ends on the 10th of June 2019. That's the deadline, and it's supposed to be fun. You can change up whatever, but I made this challenge so that um, people who are into pattern drafting or thinking of pattern drafting or that kind of thing can participate. And even if you're not into pattern drafting, you can get a sewing pattern that looks close to your ready to wear outfit and just hack the pattern. you know Everything is all good. We welcome everybody into this challenge. So without further ado, let me dive into my own 6 ready to wear outfits. Okay, so the first one is pretty simple. It's just I found out that I wear these a lot. It's just a button down, like flimsy collar button down shirt. I'll show you guys that I love. I wear this a lot, and I decided that I'm going to remake it with this. I'm not good with fabrics, so I don't know. I think this looks like a crepe. It's got a little bit of stretch to it, but not anything wonderful. So I think it will make it will I could easily do that and make a nice remake for this. And I don't really have anything this color in my wardrobe, and you find that it goes with a lot of things. So yeah, that's the first one. And the second one is another shirt. I have worn this shirt to death, you guys. Like, I love the color, I love everything about it, and it's just the same thing. Turned up sleeves, but this one has got a bottom placket in the front, and that would be a nice thing to get into. So I have decided I'm going to remake it with this. This actually, I actually have a top tutorial on the channel with this top, and this is the remnant of the fabric. I know it's bundled up because I've actually cut into it, but yeah, I think it will make a nice version. I can have two tops of the same fabric, so that's nice. Then the third piece is this lovely outfit. I've had this for years and years and years. I have worn it to death, people. And I just like it because it's a dress, so you can throw it on in one, and it has nice cow neck detail. No, I mean it's got a sleeve. I'll show you. It's got an armhole, right, with this sticking out, and this. I just like the way it covers your arms without being a sleeve, and it's not a dormant sleeve, so there's no excess fabric in the armpit area. Then for the bottom, I don't know if you guys can see. For the bottom, it's got this, which doesn't do anything. It's just that, right? And this is doesn't have any openings or anything, and I discovered that I actually don't have any stretchy fabrics in my wardrobe, like in my fabric stash. This is lycra. I don't have anything like that, so I have to go out and buy fabric. And the next ready to wear item that I have, this, how many do we have now? One, two, three of them. The next ready to wear item that I have, that I have worn to death, people, is this dress. Is this dress. And I love it so much for the zipper detailing it has. Again, this is just this is just a design detail. It doesn't actually do anything. It's got an elastic at the waist. And usually uh, when I see elasticated waist outfits, they're usually bland. They're usually just like straightforward and boring. But this I love because of the detail. It's got another zipper here, so I think I'll enjoy doing that. Right, and here's the back, and it's not lined or anything like that. And I decided to remake it with this fabric. This fabric was part of my 2018 Make 9. I was going to use to make a dress as well, but now I think it'll do better as this fabric. Maybe I'll get some black or white zippers, or maybe even a gold zipper, you know, to add some contrast to it. Yeah, I think it'll be nice. But I think this is see-through, so I'm going to have to line it. But yeah, this was a gift from my friend. So the next two things I have are pants, and this I love. And as I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, you will see that I've been dabbling into making pants, right? So that's what's giving me courage to bring this into the mix. It's just the straight leg pants with wide hem, and yeah, this pockets. The back has got forgotten what they call these pockets. Forgotten what they call them, but yeah. And I love the insides. This is gonna be labor intensive, just because everything is the inside is bias bound all round, which is the mark of a good quality pair of pants or outfit. But yeah, it's going to be intensive to say the least. and I decided to make it with. Well, to be honest, I'm torn between. Okay, like so, there are two pants left, so I'm torn between using this or this. But I think at the end, I'm going to use this. This is Ankara fabric I won. This is an Ankara fabric I won from Kim Dave Designs. She had an online Instagram challenge which I won. So it's nice. I'm gonna be putting the fabric to good use. Then the second one is we all have these in our wardrobe, right? Light fabric palazzo pants, and I already made one. It's part of my 2018 Make 9. One of the few things I did make. I already made one. So um, I don't mind make having another one in another Ankara print, but this time because that one had only an elasticated waistband at the back, but this one has an elasticated waistband all through. So I will just do the same thing with this, and yeah, I love the fabric. I love orange, and yeah. So I hope it's it's gonna be an interesting 6 months to say the least. Um, I'm hoping to get some of these made so that I can wear them during the Me Made Me challenge. And so yeah, two trousers, two dresses, and two tops. Seems perfect to me. I really, really hope you guys partake in the challenge. Make up your videos. I tag everybody that wants to do the challenge. If you know someone that wants to do the challenge, tag them in this video, and let's have an interesting new year. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you see updates of my makes. And thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. Thanks if this is your first time on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much.